I've made a list of my 5 favorite New Year's resolutions as a business owner, and I want to share them with you. Number 5, we'll do this David Letterman style if you're old enough to remember that. Number 5, find out if my books are done correctly. In other words, can I trust the numbers that I'm seeing in my financial statements and in my accounting records? So I'm going to make sure that my books are done correctly, and I'm going to find out by asking around, by asking somebody else. Number 4, build a dashboard of my top 3 KPIs to help me make better business decisions next year. So a dashboard, what does that mean? 4, 5, maybe 7 maximum metrics that are easy to use, easy to see, and impactful in helping you make a decision. I've got a couple of other videos about dashboards that you can check out. Number 3, have a real accountant review my balance sheet. You might be laughing, you might be saying, I've got lots of real accountants in my companies. But you know what? A CPA, somebody who looks at these things day in and day out, a management accountant, can dig into your books in a way that will show you whether they're being done both correctly and accurately. So get a second set of eyes on. That's number 3. Number 2, get my 1099 reporting done on time. Wow, 1099s are due January 30th. That means when the end of the year comes, you've got just 30 days to cobble together all of your vendor records, make sure you know exactly how much money you've paid to all your vendors, send out the 1099s not only to the vendor's correct email address or mailing address, but also to the IRS. 30 days. So by January 30th, you've got to have 1099s wrapped up. That's a huge New Year's resolution for you. And you can start now by getting the details together right away. Okay, our number 1 New Year's Eve resolution is learn how to give myself a raise by taking more cash out of the business. We've got a great another short video just all about the cash cycle of your company. But if you don't know how to squeeze your cash cycle by reducing AR and reducing inventory and using credit correctly, then you need to find out how to get that cash cycle down. If you can reduce your cash cycle by just 10%, you can take 10% of your annual sales home in your pocket. It's so impactful. That's my number 1 piece of advice, my number 1 New Year's resolution. Learn how to give myself a raise and take more cash out of the business. So I hope that you'll learn lots of ways to make your business more profitable in the new year, and I will see you then.